Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram post. So what you want to do is click on your profile picture on Instagram at the bottom right and choose the multiple photos you want to delete. So over here on this post I have two photos, but I only want to delete the first one over here. So what I need to do is I need to click on the three dot at the top right of the post and click on where it says edit. Now once you click on edit, it's going to appear something like this. Now what you can do is slide to choose which photo you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this photo. Now what I need to do is right at the top left corner of this photo, you can see a little dustbin icon. You want to click on that dustbin icon and it's going to show you this. If you click on delete, then only that one photo will be deleted from the entire group of photo. All the rest photo is still going to be here. Once you do that, you can click on done at the top right of your screen and your changes will be saved with only one of the photo being deleted from the list of the multiple photos. So that's how you guys can delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram post. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.